Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss top 30 MCQs on chemistry. So if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start with the first question. The question is, which acid is present in lemon? Your A option is malic acid, B is citric acid, C option is lactic acid and D option is tartaric acid. So the right answer is option B, that is citric acid. Your next question is, natural rubber is a blend which is having high elasticity. A option is substance, B is material, C is elastomer and D option is chemical using carbon as a main compound. So right answer is option C, that is elastomer. Next question is, how will you define the process of vulcanization? A option is sample of butane mixed with sulfur and lithars. B option is sample of propane mixed with sulfur and lithars. C option is sample of plastic formed carbon mixed with sulfur and lithars. And D option is sample of rubber mixed with sulfur and lithars. So right answer is option D, that is sample of rubber mixed with sulfur and lithars is known as the process of vulcanization. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज एनबीआर. सो फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एनबीआर क्या होती है? ए ऑप्शन इज नॉर्मल एक्राइलो नाइट्राइल ब्यूटाडीन रबर, बी ऑप्शन इज नेचुरल एक्राइलो नाइट्राइल ब्यूटाडीन रबर, सी ऑप्शन इज एन नाइक्रो नाइट्राइल ब्यूटेन रबर and D option is acrylonitrile butadiene rubber. So right answer is option D, that is acrylonitrile butadiene rubber. Next question is, which of the following is not a type of elements? A option is metals, B is non-metals, C option is metalloids and D option is gases. So right answer is option D, that is gases. Next question is, in which form the natural petroleum is formed? A option is gasoline, B is kerosene, C option is crude oil and D option is tar. So right answer is option C, that is crude oil. Next question is, petroleum is a combination of chains of hydrogen and blank present in Earth's crust. A option is butane, B is hydrocarbons, C is carbon, D option is propylene. So right answer is option C, that is carbon. It means petroleum is a combination of hydrogen and carbon. Next question is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? A option is carbon dioxide, B is methane, C option is carbon monoxide and last option is water vapor. So right answer is option C, that is carbon monoxide is not a part of greenhouse gas. Next question is, what is the result of presence of green gases in excess? A option is deforestation, B is decay of Earth's crust, C option is excess of heat and D option is more snow on Earth. So right answer is option C, that is excess of heat. Next question is, which of the following is the acronym of PVC? A option is polyvinyl chloride, B is polyvinyl carbonate, C option is phosphor vanadium chloride, D option is phosphovinyl chloride. So right answer is option A, that is polyvinyl chloride is the acronym of PVC. Next question is, which of the following is the heaviest metal? A option is osmium, B is mercury, C option is iron and D option is nickel. So in these metals, the heaviest metal will be mercury. That is option B is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is used for clean oxidation? A option has supercritical carbon dioxide, B option is supercritical hydrogen, C option is aqueous hydrogen peroxide and D option is all of the above. So right answer is option C, that is aqueous hydrogen peroxide. Next question is, green solvents are derived from? A option is renewable resources, B is carbon resources, C option is non-renewable resources and D option is all of these. So right answer is option A, that is renewable resources. Next question is, which of the following treatment is used for the removal of biological impurities? A option is sedimentation, B is boiling, C option is sterilization and D option is distillation. So right answer is option C, that is sterilization. Process is used to remove the biological impurities. Next question is, which of the following indicator used in determination of hardness? A option is EBT, B is phenolphthalein, C option is methyl orange and D option is thymol blues. The right answer is option A, that is EBT. Next question is, who is known as the father of modern chemistry? A option is Colvey, B is Wohler, C option is Lavoisier and D option is Pasteur. So right answer is option C, that is Lavoisier. and the full name is Antoine Lavoisier. Next question is the inventor of atomic theory is A option is Rutherford, B is Marie Curie, C option is John Dalton, and D option is Albert Einstein. So right answer is option C, that is John Dalton. Next question is nucleon is the name which is employed for A option is electron and neutron, B option is proton and neutron, C option is electron and neutron, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option B, that is proton and neutron. Your next question is the mass number of an atom is A option is number of nucleons in the nucleus, B option is number of protons in the nucleus, C option is number of neutrons in the nucleus, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is number of nucleons in the nucleus. Next question is atom is electrically A option is positive, B is negative, C option is bi-positive, and D option is neutral. So right answer is option D, that is neutral. Your next question is the chemical properties of an element depends upon A option is number of nucleons in the nucleus, B option is number of protons in the nucleus, C option is number of electrons in the nucleus, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is number of electrons in the nucleus. Next question is who was inventor of radioactivity? A option is Madame Curie, B is Irene Curie, C option is Henry Becquerel, and D option is Rutherford. So right answer is option C, that is Henry Becquerel was the inventor of radioactivity. Next question is the penetrating power of which of the following invisible radiations emitting from the nucleus has its maximum power? A option is alpha rays, B is beta rays, C option is gamma rays, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is gamma rays. Next question is which of the following is not a radioactive element? A option is astatine, B is francium, C is titanium, and D option is zirconium. So right answer is option D, that is zirconium. Next question is which of the following is the unit of radioactivity? A option is Curie, B is Becquerel, C option is Rutherford, and D option is all of these. So right answer is option B, that is Becquerel. Next question is the estimation of the age of Earth is done by A option is uranium dating, B is carbon dating, C option is atomic clock, and D option is bioclock. So right answer is option A, that is uranium dating. Next question is the isotope of an atomic nucleus is in which? A option is number of neutrons be same but number of protons be different. B option is number of protons be same but number of neutrons be different. C option is number of protons and neutrons both are same. And D option is number of protons and neutrons both are different. So right answer is option B, that is number of protons be same but the number of neutrons be different. Next question is which of the following is estimated by radiocarbon dating? A option is age of the human being, B option is age of the fossils, C option is disease of the human body, and D option is purity of the metals. So right answer is option B, that is age of the fossils is estimated by the radiocarbon dating. Next question is the number of isotopes in the hydrogen. A option is 2, B is 3, C is 4, and last option is 5. So the number of isotopes in the hydrogen are 3. That is option B is the right answer. Next question is which of the following is not the isotope of hydrogen? A option is protium, B is deuterium, C option is itarium, and D option is tritium. So right answer is option C, that is itarium. So that's all for today guys. I hope that you love the content. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then bye bye and take care.